Hi friends, in this video I will tell you about two festivals of Odisha. One is Kumara Purnima and another is Kartika Purnima. Based on the pronunciation in Odisha, I am using the words like Kartika and Kumara. So you can think it like Kartik and Kumar. So Kartik and Kumar is known as the most handsome among the gods and the warrior god. Two festivals in Odisha are linked to his name. In Odisha, unmarried girls celebrate Kumara Purnima to get a suitable groom or Kumara. And Kartika Purnima is celebrated for the maritime history of Odisha. On Kumara Purnima, Liya, Liaa, Liya a food item from paddy. You can say puffed paddy, like puffed rice. So Liya containing the paddy husk is put on the kula. Kula means winnowing fan. You can see in the picture. In the daytime, the girls offer palm full of Liya, Johnny fulla means rich god flower, kakudi fulla or cucumber flower, Gua means betel nut to sun god Surya Devata, and it is known as Anjuli Teka because the palm is called Anjuli. A lokagita is sung Johnny fulo ठोठा काकुड़ी फुल ठोठा गुंडुची मूषा कही जाइछि चाउल मुठे रखिथा. The games like puchi khela, Bisa Amruta Khela, etc. are performed during Kumara Purnima. In the evening, the girls offer Chanda to moon god. Chanda or Chanda Chakota is a paste made of Liya, sugar, banana, Talasaja means fresh palm fruit and coconut, etc. A lokagita or a folk song is sung by the people. Kuwaro punei jହ୍ନ go ଫୁଲ ବଉଳ ବେଣୀ କୁଆଁରୀ ମାନଙ୍କ ଅପୂର୍ବ କାହାଣୀ ପୁଚି ଖେଳିବାକୁ ମନ ଗୋ ଫୁଲ ବଉଳ ବେଣୀ. Kumara Purnima marks the end of Ashwina Masa or Ashwina month in Odisha. When Kartika Masa or Kartika month starts, people erect a pillar, a bamboo pillar, and a pot with holes in that. You can see in the picture. So the pot is attached at the top of the bamboo pole, and inside the pot there is a deepa or diya or a lamp. So in the evening it will light. And what is the reason behind it? Probable reason I will tell at the end of this video. The month of Kartika is considered as the most sacred among the 12 months. During this month, people refrain from taking non-vegetarian food. In the whole month, jhoti, muruja paintings are made on the ground in the house premises near Chaura. Chaura means the small temple-like elevation with a tulasi plant in it. The last 5 days are called Panchuka and the last day is Kartika Purnima. The festival Kartika Purnima is for celebrating the maritime history of Odisha. Probably in India, the sea voyage is only celebrated in Odisha. Outside India, a similar festival is celebrated in Thailand known as Loi Krathong. You can find the similarity between the two words Krathong and Kartika. On this day, we perform Boita Bandhana ritual. Boita Bandhana means boat worship to remember the history when the Sadhavas used to travel to Indonesian countries like Java, Sumatra, Maladipo and Bali, etc. Toy boats are made of Kodali Patuka or plantain trunk or thermocol. Then Panno or betel leaf, Gua, betel nut, and Deepa or lamp is placed over it. Then the small boat is floated in water with a lokogita or folk song. Aka ma boi, pano gua thoi, pano gua toro, masaka dharamo moro. Here, the starting letters of the months are told when the sea voyage used to happen. A stands for Ashadha month, Ka stands for Kartika month, Ma stands for Margasara month, and Boi stands for Boisakha month. On this day in Cuttack, Odisha, a festival starts called as Bali Jatra, which literally means voyage to Bali Island. Note: Kalidas referred the king of Kalinga as Mohodadhipati, Lord of the Sea. A text in Mahayana Buddhism mentions Kalinga Odresu, islands in the Kalinga Sea. As I am telling about Kumara Purnima and Kartika Purnima festivals, let me tell about two different beliefs in two different states of India about Kumara or Murugan. We have the belief in Odisha that Kumara is a bachelor god who holds Bhali, the weapon in his hand or the spear, and who has Devasena, god's army. So it means that Kartika is also a warrior god like Ma Kali. But in Tamil Nadu, their first god Kartik or Murugan, and they believe Kartik as married to two wives named Valli and Devayani. You can see the similarity: Bhali, Valli, Devasana, Devayani. Different beliefs. So whatever might be the difference in beliefs, one thing is common, that Kartika or Murugan is a warrior god. Did I miss anything to tell? Yes, I told that in the end of this video I will tell about Akasadipa. What is the probable reason? So in those ancient days in Odisha or Kalinga, when the sadhavas or the businessmen used to gather the local produce so that they can go to other countries and sell it. So they have to make the temporary shops near the sea, and in front of their temporary shops they might be having this type of Akasadipa, so that it will indicate that one shop is there, one sadhava or businessman's shop is there, so that the local people will sell their goods to the businessman, and finally they will gather everything and set the journey to Indonesian islands like Java, Sumatra, Bali. Okay, this much from my side. Thank you.